What do you get when you order a motherboard combo? That's motherboard, CPU and memory from a supplier. This one was ordered from Overclockers UK, a 5600x Ryzen 3 processor, Aorus motherboard and 16 gig of RAM, 3600 memory, 8 gig sticks. Let's see what we get. Oh, this is the packaging for the motherboard. We've got a box. Oh, box there. So what we got here is the memory, Fury, packaged in original packaging. We've got this is the processor. So you don't get, there's a Ryzen processor, the 3600X. So you don't get it in the Ryzen box because apparently it's an MPK. Normally these come with coolers, wraith coolers, but because it's an MPK, like similar to OEM, well, identical, you don't get no cooler, so you have to buy it separately. So that's the memory and the CPU, 5600X. There's the Aorus Elite motherboard. They say they've tested it all to make sure it works. That's one of the benefits of getting a combo. And you've got this box here, what's this? Oh! Cooler! I've got a cooler! I've got a blooming cooler! What have they given me? I wasn't expecting this because the guy said you're not going to get a cooler, because I had a little exchange with him online, yeah, with the Overclockers. No, I go, do I get a cooler? And he said no, because it's a MPK. But they bungled, maybe they, you know, he put a note down, oh, this guy's was expecting a cooler, and they give me a cooler, AMD Wraith cooler. Shows the Wraith one, there's no, what's it say, what's that say, AMD, so that is good. So, it can be to your advantage to be, you know, to ask questions during the order, do I get a cooler or not? So I wasn't expecting a cooler, and I've got one. What's that? Oh. Thermal. It's got thermal included. Thermal. So we got a cooler there. Let's not touch it. That is pretty unexpected. So I give thumbs up to Overclockers UK. They gave me a cooler. So originally I thought when I was getting, because it's the first combo I got, I thought I should get a cooler. They don't mention it, but 5600X's come with coolers. But then he explained to me the MPKs, that's like with a bite on a tray, they don't come with coolers. So I thought, alright, then I'm gonna have to. I have got a Noctua 14142S that I was going to use with this, but that needs a kit. Obviously that is a lot more powerful cooler than this, but it's older and it needs a kit, so I might just get a kit for it. But this is good, so that's what I've got, standard. And with Overclockers I asked them to do me a favour. You know what it was? It was to bung in some thermal paste, and they gave me this for free. It's apparently worth £5. So it can be useful to ask questions. So I got a cooler that I thought I wasn't going to get. I got a thermal paste and UV, and I got the 5600X processor. So you don't get the box because they buy it in a tray. Yeah, 5600X silver. There we go. good to upgrade. That's what you get. You may not get the same unless you ask the question. I wasn't expecting the cooler. Yeah, the motherboard, you know, it's going to be a motherboard. So there are advantages to buying a kit. The main advantage is price. There's the motherboard. So there's all the cabling. Right at the bottom. There's not much. It don't come with much cabling. So that's the motherboard. Yeah, Aorus, one GPU slot. It's got 3 full length slots. And some boxes. I'll do separate reviews. Okay, so I'm good to go to upgrade ASAP. I was going to get a mounting kit, which you can get for free from Noctua. You know, you can get it for free, but it takes a few weeks, 2 weeks, they say. Yeah, you just have to show them the photo of the Noctua and your receipt for your AMD AM4, and they'll send you a kit. Or you can buy the kit for about £6, £6.50. But what's the point of paying if you can get it for free? So I'm gonna get that kit anyway. But now I can good to go with the stock cooler, which they bunged in for free for me. That is excellent. Excellent. That's what you get when you order a motherboard combo from Overclockers UK. My best tip is to ask some questions. You know, it's good not to come across as too clever, too expert. But although this is my first combo that I bought, usually I would buy them separate. If I don't upgrade that often, well, I'll get them pre-built. You know, I'm going to test everything. But this, the benefits of getting a combo is that they pre-test it and you get a lower price. The negatives are that you will not get a cooler, but I have, because I ask questions. See, there are benefits to not be a clever clogs. MPK, I didn't know MPK. They told me MPK, no cooler. But obviously that's what reduces the price, but I don't think these, it's not that bad. AMD cooler is not that bad. The stock cooler, that's pretty beefy. You know, I've seen a lot worse than that. That is pretty good. Yeah, keep the processor safe in its box. Alright, now you know what you get with motherboard, CPU, memory combos. You don't expect to get that unless you ask. Well, for higher processors there is no stock cooler anyway, it's only for 5600x. And this is extra, you won't get that. Let's put the phone back on top. So do check out the video where we plug it in. That's a pleasant surprise.